I'm Dr. Eleanor, and this is 1 Minute Bug Hunt with Dr. Eleanor, where I give you expert tips on how to explore the wild world around you. Are you ready? Let's go!
Have you ever wanted to get a good look at a bug, only to find it's too quick and wiggly? I know I have. Today, I'm going to help solve your bug wiggle troubles by teaching you how to make a spy pot. A spy pot is a fun little tool to help you hold bugs without touching or squishing them. I first learned about spy pots in this book about Britain spiders, which is one of the best books about spiders I've ever read. Here's what you need. First, 2 cups. I have wax paper cups here, but maybe you could save a couple of cups from a fast food restaurant. The people in the book used coffee creamer cups. Next, some cling wrap, a rubber band, and some styrofoam packing material or cotton balls. That's it! Now, cut the bottom out of one of your cups, cover it in cling wrap, and hold your cling wrap in place with that rubber band. You're halfway there! Take your other cup and cover the bottom with your cotton or styrofoam. You can glue it in place, but you don't have to. Now, slide that soft bottom cup into your cling wrap cup. You got it! Now, let's take a close-up look at some of our friendly neighbors with our spy pots. Be sure to let them go when you're done. What can you see?